Next comes food crops other than grains. And this first is sugarcane. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane after Brazil. It can be grown both in the tropical and subtropical regions. If you remember, last year I told you regarding the tropical and subtropical areas. Tropical areas that lie between both the tropics, that is between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. As you know, the Tropic of Cancer passes from the center of the India. So the southern part of the Tropic of Cancer is the tropical area, and the northern part of the India, that is your subtropical area. It requires hot and humid climate and temperature that is 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is 75 and 100 centimeter. But it can also be grown in the low rainfall areas with the help of irrigation. Soil requirement is not specific soil is required for it. It can be grown from the sandy to the clay soil also. Clay, that is the alluvial soil. Sugar, gur, khansari, that is a shakkar, are manufactured from the sugar cane. Even its molasses is used for making the paper. Largest producer of the sugar cane is Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. These are the states, 10 important states production for the sugar cane. First is your Uttar Pradesh, second is your Maharashtra, third Karnataka, fourth Tamil Nadu, fifth is your Bihar, sixth is your Gujarat, seventh Haryana, eighth Punjab and 10th, ninth is Andhra Pradesh and 10th is Uttarakhand. These are the major producers of the sugarcane in India. Next comes your tea. India is the leading producer after we got partition from the Bangladesh. Earlier Bangladesh was the leading producer for the tea, but now India is the leading producer as well as the exporter of the tea. It is a plantation agriculture. It is a type of the commercial farming. One of the most important beverage crop. It can be grown in the tropical areas as well as subtropical area. It requires moist and frost-free climate. It requires fertile soil, that is the alluvial soil is required by it, as it is rich in humus and organic matter. Such kind of soil is required for it. Rainfall, showers are required for it, not heavy rainfall is not recommended for the production of tea. It is a labor intensive crop. It requires cheap and abundant labor, and such kind of labor as tea is basically grown in the Assam. So Assam gets the labor from the West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa and the other adjoining northeastern states. So major producer for this is Assam, hills of Darjeeling and Jalpaiguri districts, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Minor producers are Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh and Tripura. These are the states with the production of the tea. That is your Assam, Himachal Pradesh and Kerala. In Kerala, Nilgiri hills are there. In the Assam, Darjeeling is there and the other areas of the Assam, and in the Himachal Pradesh, Kangra Valley is there.